Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to encrypt a folder on Windows 11. Let's jump straight into it guys. For that you just want to right click on the folder, whatever folder you want to encrypt, right click on it and select properties and select the advanced option over here, click on it, and in here under compress or encrypt attributes you just want to select the encrypt contents to secure data, select check mark it and select OK and select apply and OK, and that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.